Adding pictures to OneNote is easier than in a lot of pieces of software because it's a cloud-based platform. You've got the inbuilt image search engine with Bing. So if I go to add an image, so I'll just delete that from the last video. If I click picture, and I click obviously from file, from camera if you want to, but you've got from online as well. And I could search for anything and it will come up with loads of images. You've also got this tick box for Creative Commons. So what that means is these are images that you are allowed to use because they've got a Creative Commons license, which means they're open for use. If I untick that, I'm at risk of including an image that shouldn't really be used in my document. But obviously, if it's just for you personally, you might be okay. And you've also got a filter, so you can look for large images, for example. It's a very powerful tool. You can look for transparent backgrounds, and I could pick an image, insert, and it will go onto the internet, download it. If I've clicked on large image, that's why it took a little bit longer. And you see, because it's got the transparent background, it looks quite nice because the lines are still there and everything. So the built-in image search is a really useful tool in OneNote.